Okay, so I'm gonna jump into the Meta Business Suite here and just show you guys how I'm doing this. So originally I just put the converted files into here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snag these. I'm just gonna keep this off the screen here, minimize this a little bit, and I'm just going to put these Canva documents in here now and show you how sharp this looks. So I can just go in here, one, and then you can just see that just like that. So now I'll just scroll over to that. Let's see if it's gonna let me do that. You know what, I'm gonna pause this and make it full screen. Actually, this is easier, so I can just look at that. There you go, just like that. Looks great. That's an ad right there. So now you got your ad, and then people naturally are probably going to want to scroll. So I might do 2 ads and see which one actually performs better, but we can just grab our previews here. So we'll just command click these, open. And now we have a scrollable post, which I think these typically do a little bit better. I'm not sure if it's gonna let me do this, but basically here we go. So we have our post, and then it's not showing me the preview of the pages, but basically this is if we just move it up here to show. Digging for gold and shoveling money. So that's pretty clean, you know. It's not the greatest, most eye-catching thing, but I'm just gonna... I might not even put this on. I might not even put a preview on here. I might actually just bank on this picture right here, because that's a great picture. And then if it just has a little shop now tab right here, then people are just gonna click on that and see what it's all about. And so yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and we can just say looking to make some money. I want to make the mission. What are we selling here? What's the pitch? So basically, we might just want to use the title. Shoveling money. How to make landscaping, and then let's just do our bullet point approach. And we don't want this to be some chat GPT thing here. Let's just actually write this. So let's just say from entrepreneur and business owner Matt Malone. Okay, great. More. To make, so let's just space. From, this is important, your write-up, of course, because this is the copy for your book. So this is what people hire copywriters to do, is what I'm doing right now. And this is what we're developing a skill in too. So from entrepreneur and business owner Matthew Matthew. This is going to be a little bit of a write-up. From entrepreneur and business owner Matthew Malone. We're going to do a little digging for gold. No, we want to do this. So I'm just going to do this a little bit more personal here. Hey everyone. I figured, let's make it approachable. I figured I'd write a book about my experience in business and in the world, about my experience in business. I want to do this a little more official than this. I don't want to make it a personal sale. This is not a good pitch right here. Okay. Digging for gold, shelving money. How to make $100K in your first year. Landscaping, and then let's just do bullet points, maybe with emojis or something to make it a little more presentable. So we're gonna do some benefits here. Learn how to be strong in your pricing and marketing. And then we're gonna do insider tips on how to, let's go into our emojis here. So we're gonna do some type of grass. I'm just picking emojis on the screen here. So let's see. How to drive. This one's a good one. Learn how to be strong in your pricing and marketing. Learn the approach to scaling your landscaping business. To learn the approach to scaling your business. Learn how to be strong in your pricing and marketing. So this is what people are going to be seeing. So this is really important here to nail this. Learn how to be strong in your pricing and marketing. Learn the approach to scaling your business. And here learn light bulb emoji. Get inspired by examples of success. So if you buy this book, you're going to learn how to be strong in your pricing and marketing. You're going to learn the approach to scaling your business, and you're going to get inspired by examples of success. It's pretty good. Pretty good, right? Okay. Now add some hashtags. Hashtag entrepreneur. Hashtag sales. Hashtag marketing. Hashtag landscaping. Hashtag business. Great. Okay, so now we have our cover here of the ad. We have our copy right here, which is what people will get when they are purchasing here. And it's going to basically say, so what I'm going to do is, now that we have our copy here and we have our media, or they call it, there's a bunch of different names for this, but basically now we have our media for our ad and our copy. So we're going to just do a little bit more formatting here and make sure this is looking good. We're going to just get that back up there. Nice. Okay, that's looking pretty good, I would say. So just gonna make sure. I'm gonna post this, and I'm gonna check back in about basically how we're going to run the boost to actually get this in front of people. Okay. Great.